Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear data on the application of NFL app. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will go down until you find the window of NFL and you can click. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.